Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your orders history in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. Then it usually opens up in the home menu, but from here we have to go into the profile menu. And here in the profile menu, we have to scroll down a little bit and find the My Orders button and tap on it. And here we can see our history of orders. Currently, I don't have anything that I ordered from the site, but others that have used this app more often than me will have a list of orders here, and they can check the seller and the price and a lot of details about the orders that they had. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.